Good morning, student. We were doing equilibrium chapter, equilibrium constant, Kc, Kp, application of equilibrium constant or characteristics of equilibrium constant. We had finished. Some numericals also we had done. I hope all of you are well. Very good morning. Now we are starting with one topic that is called predicting the extent of reaction. How to predict extent of reaction. Predicting the extent of reaction. How to predict how much reaction finished or how much it is left to finish, કેટલું પૂરું થઈ ગયું, કેટલું બાકી છે. How to predict the extent of reaction. Equilibrium constant value, whether Kc or Kp, it will tell us about what is the extent of reaction. Equilibrium constant. Kc આપણને inform કરશે, Kc ની value, numerical value of Kc will indicate reactions, what is the extent of reaction. But Kc value doesn't tell us about the rate of reaction, how fast the equilibrium is established. That will not be informed by Kc or Kp, but the numeric value of Kc and Kp indicates the extent of reaction. How it indicates, how do we know what is the extent of reaction from Kc or Kp value? We know that, suppose this is the reaction. Reactant gives product. R is the reactant, P is the product. This is reversible reaction and equilibrium is established. So its equilibrium constant will be concentrations of product upon concentrations of reactant. From the formula we can see that product concentration is directly proportional to Kc and reactant concentrations are inversely proportional to Kc. Equilibrium constant directly proportional to the product concentration, inversely proportional to the reactant concentration. Kc is directly proportional to the product concentration and it is inversely proportional to the reactant concentration. अब सपोज Kc का वैल्यू है वो बहुत ज्यादा आता है, तीन पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है. Kc value is very large, या for any reaction Kc value is very less. Numerical value की बात कर रहे हैं. Or there are some reactions where Kc values are intermediate, not so high, not so small. Three possibilities are there. Suppose the Kc value is very high. For example, Kc की जो value है वो बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है. That is more than 10 to the power 3. Very high values. What it indicate? कैसे high होगा Kc का value? It is directly proportional to the product concentration. So it suggests that Kc value is very high. It means that concentrations of product are very high and concentration of reactants are low. In a reaction, when equilibrium is established, product concentration is very large, reactant concentration is very less. इसकी वैल्यू बहुत हाई आ रही है, क्या इंडिकेट करता है? हाई वैल्यू indicates that concentration of product is large या high and concentration of reactant is low, कम, small है. तभी तो Kc का वैल्यू ज्यादा है, because Kc is directly proportional to product concentration, inversely proportional to reactant concentration. Product बहुत ज्यादा है, reactant बहुत कम है. What it means? When the reaction is about to complete, when maximum reactants converted into product, at that time equilibrium is established. मतलब extent of reaction is high. Extent of reaction means what? How much reactant converted into products. कभी कभी कैसा होता है, reactant लिया आपने 100 moles, only 2 moles converting into products and the equilibrium is established. कभी कभी कैसा होता है, out of 100 40 moles converted into products and the equilibrium is established. And many times in many reactions so happens 90 moles of the reactants when converted into products equilibrium is established. कोई जरूरी नहीं कि हमेशा इक्विलिब्रियम मतलब सारा रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होगा फिर ही इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश्ड होगा. नो, in the starting of the reaction also equilibrium can be established, middle of the reaction equilibrium can be established, or at the end of the reaction when maximum reactants converted into product equilibrium is established. So depends what type of reaction. तो કેટલું reactant product માં convert થાય, that is called extent of reaction. So here what we can say about extent of reaction, extent of reaction is high. So if Kc value is very high, that is 10 to the power 3, what it suggests? Maximum reactants converted into products. When reaction is about to complete, at that time, equilibrium is established. So when Kc is very high, high value indicates product is large, reactant is less. It means equilibrium established. Equilibrium established when maximum reactants convert into product. When maximum reactants are converted to products. Okay, मतलब एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज वेरी हाई. हाँ, ये इससे अपन ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते केसी वैल्यू बहुत ज्यादा है इसका मतलब बहुत फास्ट रिएक्शन हो गई होगी, 4 दिन में भी पूरी हुई होगी, लेकिन इतनी फिनिश हुई वो पता लगता है कि भाई 90% रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट થયા એમ ઈ ખબર પડે. એમનો ખબર પડે કે કલાકમાં પૂરા થઈ ગયા, 5 મિનિટમાં રિએક્શન પતી ગઈ કે એમ નહીં. રેટ ઓફ રિએક્શન આનાથી ને ખબર પડે. કેસી એટલું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે कि मैक्सिमम रिएक्टेंट्स प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट हुए हैं, दैट्स ट्रू, बट वो 2 साल में कन्वर्ट हुआ है या 2 दिन में कन्वर्ट हुआ है या 2 मिनट में कन्वर्ट हो गया है, स्पीड ऑफ रिएक्शन कैन नॉट बी प्रिडिक्टेड बाय न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू ऑफ Kc. Okay, second possibility is, suppose for any reaction Kc value is very less. Very less means Kc value less means it is less than 10 to the power minus 3. Equilibrium constant value is less than 10 to the power minus 3. આટલું ઓછું. Kc ઓછું ક્યારે આવે? ખૂબ જ ઓછું ક્યારે આવે Kc? When the product concentration is less, reactant concentration is high. આ વધારે હોય તો જ inversely related છે ને. આ વધારે હોય તો Kc ની વેલ્યુ ઓછી આવે. So Kc is 10 to the power minus 5, very less value, indicates that concentration of product very less and concentration of reactant very large. इसका क्या मतलब होगा? प्रोडक्ट बहुत कम है और रिएक्टेंट बहुत ज्यादा है. मतलब आपने 100 मोल रिएक्टेंट को लेके रिएक्शन को स्टार्ट किया and when equilibrium is established only 5 moles of reactant converted into product. હજી તો 5 જ મોલ પ્રોડક્ટ માં કન્વર્ટ થયા અને equilibrium established થઈ ગયું. मतलब extent of reaction is very less. खत्म ही नहीं हुआ. जितना रिएक्टेंट आपने डाला था उसमें बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट हुआ और इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश हो गया. सो प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी लेस. खत्म ही नहीं हुआ ना ये, इसलिए प्रोडक्ट बहुत कम बनेगा, मैक्सिमम रिएक्टेंट एज इट इज रहेगा. इट मींस दैट एट इक्विलिब्रियम maximum reactant remain. They are not converting into products. So extent of reaction less. For that case, extent of reaction very very less. 5% reaction પૂરી થાય. આ બાજુ 95% reaction પૂરી થઈ ગઈ. 95% reaction completed. Here only 5% reaction completes. And the equilibrium is established. Third case ऐसा हो सकता है, third possibility, that Kc value is intermediate, not too high nor neither too high nor too small value. Intermediate value of Kc. For example, the value of Kc is, suppose, intermediate value में example देख लेते हैं अपन. Less value for reaction and intermediate is H2 or I2 gives Hi and Kc value is intermediate value. Third example, third possibility. Third possibility, Kc value intermediate. Intermediate. मतलब neither too high nor too less. ऐसा Kc का वैल्यू आता है. इसका मतलब प्रोडक्ट और रिएक्टेंट ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है. जैसे अपन ने 100 मोल रिएक्टेंट को लेके स्टार्ट किया होगा, शुरू में 100 मोल लिए होंगे, शुरू में तो ये 0 होगा, तो जब इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश हुआ होगा तो ये 45 होगा, ये 55 होगा, लाइक दिस. मतलब concentrations of reactants and products almost similar or equilibrium established हुआ. At that time the Kc value will be intermediate, neither too high nor too less, it has intermediate value. In that case, concentrations of reactants and products almost similar, and we can say that extent of reaction is intermediate. Extent of reaction is 50 to 60%, like this. If 90% or more reaction get over, we can say that extent of reaction high, Kc value high. Suppose only 5% reaction is completing, we can say that extent of reaction is very less, Kc value very less. And when 40 to 60% reaction gets over, Kc value will be intermediate and extent of reaction will be 40 to 60%. So we can predict the extent of reaction on the basis of Kc value. Numeric value of Kc की value IP हो, तो we can tell us what is the extent of reaction. Find out कर सकते हैं. Reactants ज़्यादा होंगे या products ज़्यादा होंगे, that we can find out with the help of Kc value. देखिए example. How to predict with the help of Kc value. First example, it is H2 plus O2 gives water. 2H2 plus O2 gives water. And its equilibrium constant value is given as, वो दिया होता है, वो हमको नहीं मालूम क्या होगा, but दिया होता है 2.4 10 raised to power 17. 10 to power 17 वैल्यू छोटा थोड़ी होता है, it's very high value. इतना high it means आपको इससे प्रेडिक्ट करना और रिएक्शन के बारे में, तो क्या प्रेडिक्ट करोगे आप? एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिएक्शन वेरी हाई. क्या बोलोगे आप? एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिएक्शन हाई या एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिएक्शन मोर. क्या मतलब? कोई बोले कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिएक्शन मोर, थोड़ा इलेबोरेट करके बताइए, है ना, समझाओ इसको. हर किसी को तो समझ नहीं आएगा. एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिएक्शन मोर मीन्स, extent of reaction more means concentration of water is very high, concentration of hydrogen and oxygen at equilibrium is less. આ વધારે છે water, मतलब પ્રોડક્ટ વધારે બન્યું છે, હાઇડ્રોજન ઓક્સિજન ઓછા છે when equilibrium is established. ઓછા છે એનો એમ મતલબ નથી કે તમે ઓછા લીધા હતા, તમે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં હાઇડ્રોજન ઓક્સિજન બરાબર જ લીધા હતા, પણ જ્યારે equilibrium establish થયું at that time maximum product form और हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का concentration कम, मतलब extent of reaction very very high. हाँ, we cannot say that Kc more means the rate of reaction more. No, speed of reaction cannot be predicted by Kc value. Only extent of reaction can be predicted. Second example we can write as hydrogen and chlorine gives HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. इसका भी Kc वैल्यू बहुत ज्यादा है. कितना? 4 into 10 raised to power 31, वेरी हाई, उससे भी ज्यादा है. मतलब इसमें तो एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिएक्शन बहुत ज्यादा है, मतलब मैक्सिमम रिएक्टेंट्स प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट हुआ है. इट मींस concentration of HCl is very high compared to hydrogen and chlorine. So Kc value predict about extent of reaction or concentrations of product and reactant at equilibrium. Third reaction देखिए, H2 plus Br2 gives 2HBr. Same type of reaction. And that reaction is also very high value of Kc. That is 5.4 10 to power 18. Third example. Hydrogen, bromine gives HBr and its equilibrium constant value is given as 5.8 10 to power 18. 5.4 10 to power 18. No need to remember these values. Values will be given to you. We are not supposed to remember the values. These are the constants. But we can predict about the reaction if the value is given. So these values, high values of Kc indicates that extent of reaction is very high. It means maximum reactants converted into products when equilibrium is established. जब equilibrium आया होगा तो maximum reactant product में convert हो गए. Obvious है, product concentration very high, reactant concentration very very less. Clear? Next example देखिए, formation of या decomposition of water. This is formation of water. Next is decomposition of water. Water when decompose it gives hydrogen and oxygen. Its Kc value is very less. See, what's the value given? 4.1 10 to the power minus 48. Minus 48 એટલે ખૂબ જ ઓછું કહેવાય. Kc value ખૂબ ઓછી છે. બીજું example, N2 plus O2 gives 2NO. और इसका भी Kc value खूब less. Value is given as 4.8 10 to the power minus 31. 4.8 10 raised to minus 31. Very less. Also decomposition of N2O4 to form NO2. इसका भी Kc वैल्यू बहुत कम है. कितना दिया हुआ है? 4.64 10 to the power minus 3. अब इतनी कम वैल्यूज क्या इंडिकेट करती है वैल्यूज इन रिएक्शंस के बारे में? What we can predict for the reaction with the help of these values. So as these values are very very less, we can say that extent of reaction is less. We can say that extent of reaction less. What do you mean by extent of reaction? Extent of reaction means less product formed. At equilibrium, less product form. Less product form means less reactants converted to product. Less reactants converted to product. बहुत कम reactant product में convert हुए और equilibrium established हो गया. अपन ने लिया तो बहुत सारा था, 1000 मोल लिए थे, लेकिन उसमें से convert सिर्फ 2 ही मोल हुए. Product 2 ही मोल बना और equilibrium आ गया. So Kc values will tell us about extent of the reaction. Very less value of Kc means extent of reaction very less. Product concentration very less. And high value indicates that product concentration more, extent of reaction is very very high. Clear? एक generalization बताया हुआ है, arrow बना के देखो. Kc का value 1, negligible, very high. ऐसे करके लिखा है ना. One generalization is given about the value of Kc this way. Here, extremely large Kc value. Extremely large. यहाँ पे Kc is 1 और उस साइड है 10 to the power minus 3. इस साइड 10 to the power minus 3. या plus 3 तो extremely large हुआ ना. यहाँ पे negligible reactants. Reaction hardly proceed. Reaction hardly proceed means very less products are formed. And their reaction proceed almost completion. Reaction proceed almost completion. Reaction proceed almost completion. And in between, both reactant and products are present at equilibrium. यहाँ पे both reactant and products are present in equal proportion. Are present at equilibrium. At equilibrium. दोनों अच्छे खासे अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होंगे. तो 3 values can Kc has very less negligible value. This indicates that hardly reaction will proceed into product side. Reactants will be as it is. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि reaction तो हुआ ही नहीं. और यहाँ पे अगर Kc value बहुत ज्यादा है, what it mean? Reaction proceed almost completion. मतलब कोई भी रिएक्शन कभी भी 100% कंप्लीट नहीं होता है, हालांकि 95 मैक्सिमम reactants converted to products. What about at this stage? When Kc value is 1 means almost reactant and products are same. It means that the reaction proceed 50% and the equilibrium is established. Simple language में बोले तो जैसे क्लास स्टार्ट होता है ना, 40 मिनट्स का क्लास है, टीचर पढ़ाना स्टार्ट किया, कुछ कुछ बच्चों को ऐसे होता है आफ्टर 5 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes hardly they learn and they feel that oh बहुत है ये ना समझा, तो उनका इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश हो जाता है आफ्टर 5 minutes ऑफ लेक्चर. कुछ बच्चों का ऐसा होता है कि 40 में से 20-25 मिनट्स पढ़ के फिर लगता है चलो अब तो बंद हो तो ठीक है, बहुत हो गया, है ना. और कुछ बच्चों का 40 के 40 मिनट्स बहुत एकदम एक्यूरेटली एकदम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ पढ़ाई करते हैं. तो जो 40 मिनट्स पूरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ पढ़ाई करते हैं वो ये, और जो बहुत कम 5 मिनट के बाद ही जिनके में इक्विलिब्रियम आ जाता है वो तो पूરું થઈ જાય સારું એ આ લોકો. અને આ ટાઈપના રિએક્શન્સ જેમાં 20-25 મિનિટ્સ પછી એવું થાય કે હાલો હવે તો પૂરું થાય તો સારું, બહુ ભણી લીધું. તો reactions also these 3 types, either reaction almost complete or पूरी स्टार्ट જ ન થાય, જે તો સ્ટાર્ટ થાય ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ આવી જાય, or intermediate stage concentrations of reactant and products are almost same, मतलब 50% reaction gets over. So numeric value of Kc indicates about extent of reaction. Clear? Next है, हाँ एक बात ध्यान रखना है, Kc value won't tells us about speed of reaction. ऐसा नहीं है कि Kc बहुत ज्यादा है मतलब स्पीड बहुत ज्यादा है, नो, स्पीड नहीं, एक्सटेंट बहुत ज्यादा है, स्पीड का हम नहीं बता सकते. थर्मोडायनामिक्स और this is Kc comes under thermodynamics, so it doesn't tell us about the speed of reaction, so this value won't indicate the speed of reaction. Clear? Next, predicting direction of reaction. Next is predicting the direction of reaction. Kc की बात कर रहे हैं अपन, predicting direction of reaction. Direction of reaction क्या मतलब है इसका? किसी भी स्टेज पे, इक्विलिब्रियम की बात नहीं कर रहे, कोई भी स्टेज पे, जैसे आपने रिएक्शन स्टार्ट किया, 5 मिनट हुए या 10 मिनट हुए, कोई भी स्टेज आई बीच में रिएक्शन की, उस वक्त वो कौन सी डायरेक्शन में जा रहा होगा, फॉरवर्ड या बैकवर्ड. The direction can be predicted with the help of Kc value. So what do you mean by direction? At particular instant, at particular moment, whether reaction is moving in forward direction or backward, because equilibrium always established in reversible reactions. मतलब reaction proceed in forward as well as in backward direction, simultaneously जाती है. तो at particular stage, in which direction the reaction is moving, whether forward or backward, that can be known with the help of equilibrium constant. How that can be known with the help of equilibrium constant? For that we require one term that is called QC. KC तो पढ़ा, QC की जरूरत पड़ती है. What is QC? It is reaction quotient. क्या होते हैं? Reaction quotient. Now what is this reaction quotient QC? It is nothing but it is formula wise it is same as Kc. So I said this is the reaction. A plus B gives C plus D. What's the value of QC? Formula it is same. Concentration of C, concentration of D, concentration of A, and the concentration of B. Kc, the formula is also same. Concentration of C, concentration of D, A, and B. It is same. तो फिर डिफरेंस क्या है? फॉर्मूला सेम है. तो यहाँ पे जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस हैं सी डी और ए बी का, वो इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस हैं. दिस फॉर्मूला concentrations are equilibrium concentration. Concentrations are equilibrium concentrations. और यहाँ पे concentrations at any moment. Concentrations at any instant. जरूरी थोड़ी जो इक्विलिब्रियम पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस हैं वो हर स्टार्ट करते ही वही थोड़ी आ जाती है. आप तो जब रिएक्शन को स्टार्ट करते हो तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस अलग अलग होती है. रिएक्टेंट की अलग होती है, प्रोडक्ट की अलग होती है. जब इक्विलिब्रियम आ जाता है तब ये कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस कांस्टेंट हो जाती है. तो एट एनी मोमेंट व्हेन द कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस आर प्लेस्ड इन द फॉर्मूला इट इज कॉल्ड QC. एंड व्हेन इक्विलिब्रियम इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंड यू आर प्लेसिंग द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टर्म्स हियर देन इट इज कॉल्ड KC. So if you look at the formula of QC and KC, they are same, but if you want to calculate the values, then it will be different. दोनों में concentrations ही place करना है, product और reactant का ही place करना है. But difference क्या है? In the formula of KC, we will place the values of concentrations at equilibrium, and in the formula of QC, we are placing the concentration terms at any instant of reaction. अब इनकी वैल्यूज से हम डायरेक्शन कैसे प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं? देखिए, फर्स्ट हो सकता है QC कैन बी मोर देन KC. सेकंड हो सकता है QC कैन बी लेस देन KC. और थर्ड हो सकता है QC कैन बी इक्वल्स टू KC. तीन वैल्यूज पॉसिबल हो सकती हैं. KC तो फिक्स होता है. KC इज फिक्स. QC वैल्यू इस तरीके से हो, इट इज मोर देन KC. हियर QC is less than KC, or here QC is equal to KC. Now, how can we predict the direction of reaction from this? अगर QC ज़्यादा है KC से, if QC is more than KC, it means the reaction is proceeding in. If QC is more than, then it will proceed in reverse direction. At that stage, reaction is moving in reverse direction. If KC ज्यादा है और QC कम है तो फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जाएगा उसको पकड़ने के लिए. It move in, reaction moves in forward direction. और अगर दोनों सेम है तो इक्विलिब्रियम है, फिर तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, कोई किसी भी डायरेक्शन में रिएक्शन नहीं जा रहा है तो दोनों डायरेक्शन में सेम स्पीड से जा रहा है. यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन की स्पीड ज्यादा है, बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन की स्पीड कम है. और यहाँ पे ऐसा है रिवर्स डायरेक्शन की स्पीड ज्यादा है अगर QC ज्यादा है तो. So we can predict the direction of reaction with the help of QC and KC. एक डायग्राम भी बना के आपको बता रखा है. How can we predict the direction by QC and KC? See, यहाँ पे QC और KC सेम है. ये है KC और ये है QC, होता सेम तो इक्विलिब्रियम, तो कोई डायरेक्शन में रिएक्शन स्पीडीली नहीं जाता है. सेकंड इज गिवन एज C here. Which is more? KC तो इतना ही रहेगा. QC is more. This is KC. वो तो किसी भी इंस्टेंट पे सेम ही होगा. QC is more. Then reaction move in reverse direction. Or QC less compared to KC. ये QC. Kc तो उतना ही, then reaction will move in forward direction. Yes. So reaction will move in forward direction when Qc less. When Qc more, backward direction. Both are same, equilibrium is established. This way we can find out the direction of reaction. किस direction में reaction अभी speedily जा रही है. तो अगर Qc is more than Kc, reaction will moving speedily in backward direction. If it is equal, equilibrium condition. If it is moving in forward direction, it means that Kc is more and Qc is less. Clear? Tomorrow we'll do numerical on the basis of this so that you can understand how to find the direction of reaction. Clear, students? Okay, beta, bye-bye.